Yazi bafethu kunento engilokhu ngiyibuza yona nje ukuthi ngempela ngabe le mpi kaJulius Malema yimpi yangempela yokuthi kufanele kiwe court or impi yokuthi mhlawumbe i-political because now uJulius Malema sevele nje wafuna nje ukuthi lo mjede kuthiwa ubani ubaba uNgizwe Mchunu avele nje aboshwe right now just before kube umhla ka-30, just before kube i-national shutdown, just before izinto zibheke phezulu. Is it a political trap nyana ayizamayo uMamalema, or maybe is it a legal battle ukuthi wathini kuyena? Yabo, because manje izinto ziyasolisa ngoba la uMalema files an urgent contempt application against uNgizwe Mchunu uthi akahlele 6 months wonke ejele. Kusho lapho yena uJulius Malema lo ofike wayiloja le urgent contempt of court application lapha eGauteng ku-Division of High Court ePretoria against uNgizwe. But guys, stick around because I have a video where you're gonna see if this thing doesn't happen, what's gonna happen. But before we even go there, please guys, turning support on my comedy show, a blind date comedy show in 25 June is over Pinback morning side next to Zai. I'm a ticket 160 and the Tolagala 200 rands emnyango. So please guys, buy the tickets right now because the space is 9 and gizo share a link with description area. Now, here's the problem. This follows an earlier contempt finding ukuthi uMchunu ngomhla ka-5, after which he issued a public apology to the court nakuMalema. But ke manje ke sekunenye application entsha sha emfuna angene ejele for non-compliance. Maybe you know what he did after that, but I'm not sure what he did after umhla ka-5 lo ade vele se apologizile uMchunu. Now the thing that I know ngumchunu ukuthi akayona nje umuntu ovela nje athi back down noma kanjani, because uMchunu mfethu uyalwa all the time. As you can see, March and March, they're all over the place, they're all over the country, and people are looking forward to umhla ka-30. Now the question is, ngisfanele sibuze zona ukuthi ngenzeka yini ukuthi ngomhla ka-30 uma uMchunu engasekho ingabi saba khona yini imarch noma leyo nto izosuswa ibhelu ezinkulu kakhulu kunalezi esizibonayo. And into engichaza kakhulu ukuthi yazi le application lena ifakwe ngomhla ka-8 June inane case number ukuthi nje ngempela uMchunu masihakahambe ayosentenswa aphinde futhi azise yena kubantu, I mean uyizise yena police station within 12 hours. Uyabona ukuthi lento Malema uyikhande ngalendlela ukuthi he makes sure ukuthi uMchunu ngomhla ka-30 akekho at all ngaphandle kufanele abe sejele, you know, because uMchunu mfethu ulwela abantu base South Africa, ulwela mina nawe, ulwela ngisho nezingane zethu. But oMalema they are always found ukuthi against imarch and march and pusha le agenda ukuthi akuvulwe amaborder. And yes, there's a video engangayifaka ngikhuluma ngayo uMalema and ngathola i-backlash kanjani kubantu abalandela uMalema bengithuka ngazo zonke inhlambo ongakazi uyibona. But I picked one comment ku-Facebook kukhona omunye okade ekhuluma kanje nabo abalandeli baMalema after sebengithukile uyamukela laphana. I think he was replying to Clifford Myeni uthi it must be hard to be an EFF member, you defend ngisho kungafanele. Sorry guys, kubhlungu ukuthi ungaholwa isilima. What's your take on that guys? Mina really think ngempela abantu oMalema uyabadukisa. Now before I even vala the show, this is the video ebengithe ngizocela niyilalele bese nangitshela ukuthi what's gonna happen ngomhla ka-30. The question is ngomhla ka-30 siyaya kwi-march even if ekhona uMchunu noma engekho, yes or no? But nansi i-video ikonakele. So
are saying if the government doesn't have the budget, we as South African, we can mobilize one home, one bag of cement, one block, and all these men can go to the border. We have engineers here, we have architects here, we have quantity surveyors here, we got building inspectors here. We can build that border with zero budget from the government. They can take all that money and go and use it anywhere, or take the flight or steal it because they don't want to help the South Africans. The next president in this country is going to come from these people. It's not going to come from political parties. Done with political parties. They are wasting our time and they are making us a business. It's like we are a
Yes, they are wasting our time and they are making us business. As you can see, Phakela Mthalathi laphayana kade besegoli bemashi kwimashi and mashi. Enkulukazi imashi la bekhuluma khona namaphoyisa ebachazela ukuthi ngale mashi and mashi kungenzakalani. Yonke lento abayishoyo uMalema is nothing. Guys, please make sure bafethu you subscribe, you like and you leave the comment. The question is, siyaya yini kwimashi if umchunu ekhona noma engekho, yes or no? But before you even go, please make sure to you buy the ticket and support my work. A Blind Date Comedy Show, Fly Motion Live, izobe seBinbeg eMorningside laphayana eThekwini. Le show ayabantu base Thekwini. Ama-ticket azobe 160, a web ticket, i-link izobe khona njengamanje la ku-description. Otherwise azobe 200 rands at the door. Ishow iqala ngo-7 o'clock. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you qhubeka watch more videos that are going to pop up in your screen, because you know what, mainstream media won't tell you like we do. Shout out to me. We have reached 500 subscribers. We are already monetized. Thank you. Now we're looking forward to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Pew, 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 pew.